Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to show you how to write the net ionic equation for this equation over here. We have HCl and ZnS on the reactant side and H2S and ZnCl2 on the product side. So let's start. These are the general rules that we are going to follow to write this ionic equation. So first of all, we have to write the balanced molecular equation. So you might see here that there is only one Cl atom over here on the reactant side, but there are two on the product side. So we have to balance that first to tick this off. So we are going to place a coefficient of 2 before HCl to balance it off, and it will also balance the number of hydrogen atoms on both the sides. Now we have 2 hydrogen atoms on both reactant and product side, so that is done. The second part is to write the states for each molecule. Here HCl will be in aqueous state, so write AQ. Okay, ZnS will be in a solid state, so you can write a solid, that is S. It is almost like solid, so you can write S over here. For H2S, it is in aqueous state as well, but it is a weak electrolyte. However, we are going to write AQ because it is in aqueous state, so write that. And ZnCl2 will also be in aqueous state as well, so mention that. Once you have done that, we have to write the we have to split strong electrolytes into ions. Okay, what does that means is for example, here HCl is a strong electrolyte and we have to split it. So it would be split in H plus and Cl minus, and you have to write these ions over here. So you have to write 2H plus, 2Cl minus. Okay, remember to count this 2 whenever you are writing this. Once done, you can write the ZnS as it is. Then when you proceed forward, you have H2S over here. So this is a weak electrolyte, and weak electrolyte cannot split when they are in aqueous solution. So you have to write it as it is. And then when you move forward, you have ZnCl2. It will also split. So Zn has a charge of +2 and Cl has a charge of -1. So you can write like this: Zn with this charge and Cl, that is 2Cl minus. Okay. So we have done this part over here. Now we have to cross out the spectator ions, the ions which are doing nothing, and we can cancel it out to get this net ionic equation. So if you look at this equation, you will see that 2Cl minus is something which remains common on both reactant and product side. So you can cancel those out, and then you are left with the net ionic equation, which is 2H plus ZnS H2S and Zn2 plus on the product side. So you can write this equation and voila, it's done. You have the net ionic equation for this equation that we started with, and it is so easy, right? So do follow all these steps whenever you're asked to come up with net ionic equations. I hope this video helps you to understand that, and for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.